everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Ignore the sound that you're hearing. That is the sound of my wipers. It's currently maybe I'll just turn them off. Okay, so it's currently snowing outside now and I'm starting this vlog in the car. This is almost 10:20 a.m. I have a lot of things to do today. Coincidentally, I didn't know it was going to snow today. First of all, I am right in front of my dermatologist's place and I have an appointment very soon, and after my appointment I'm going to go to the grocery store. I need to get rice and I need to get apple cider vinegar. Those are the two main things that I need to get. I might end up going to the dollar store because I need a microwave plate cover. I have a lot of clothes that I'm going to be donating and giving away today. When I was packing into my new apartment, I realized that there were some clothes that I've not worn in 1 year, 2 years, even 2.5 years. There are some clothes that I've actually not worn, some shoes that I've not worn in a very long time. I had to do some decluttering and I let go of some of the things that I haven't used in that length of time. I'm finally going to give them out to the donation center. I'm going to give them out to charity, the donation center, and it's a lot. It's quite a lot of things that I'm going to be giving out. So today is kind of going to be a little bit on the run, doing different things, doing different errands. I decided to just do all of these things today because I just don't want to push it. Like, I'm outside of the house, I might as well just, get all of those things done. It's snowing. Let me see if I can show you what is going on. I don't know if you can see. Hold on a bit. All right, so I don't know if you can see. I'm just putting it, but like, it's snowing and it's going to snow all afternoon. There's some snow on my windshield. It's so tiny, but it's really snowing. We literally just had a snowstorm. We had a snowstorm on Monday. Yeah, Monday night into Tuesday morning we had a snowstorm, and they haven't even finished plowing the roads and we still have more snow that is falling today. The weather is currently -20, but it feels like -26. I would consider this kind of weather normal because Alberta winters can be very brutal sometimes. I've lived in this province when it was -40, -50, and the world still went on living their lives while we're here freezing. Do you still want to come to Canada?
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. To go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean, but I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in,
my car. I wasn't even gone up to 1 hour.
Around that corner, life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come. 'Cause the light's just around the corner. But I don't know how, 'cause every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too...
Hey guys, so I'm just back. I was supposed to go to the donation center, the charity donation center last, but the thing there is it's snowing, like it's snowing really badly and the roads are not good. It's snowing terribly. I'm just like, maybe I should just go home and wait it out. Maybe I'll do it later today. I cannot guarantee that I want to step out again. Probably tomorrow I'll just go to the donation center, but right now I don't feel comfortable driving anymore. This is the microwave cover, hangers, shaving stick. This is toothpaste, Arm & Hammer, and this is toilet bowl cleaner. Ow. 8 kg long grain rice. It seems as if the price of rice has increased, because the last time I bought a bag of rice it was $10. 8 kg bag of rice. Now it's $16. So for the life of me, I don't know why there is that sudden increase. Laundry detergent, some eggs, this is pepper, this is mixed veggies that I got, and this is lentils. Yeah, lentils, apples. I got some lemons, and then I got pepper sauce.
I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voices I met, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go.
Hey guys, so this is a continuation of yesterday. What happened yesterday? Yesterday was Thursday. Today it's not snowing, but the temperature has dropped really low. It's currently minus 26 in Edmonton, and you can see there is like this cold weather warning. There's this cold weather warning that is in effect, and because of the wind chill, it feels like minus 33 degrees. Honestly, this is not the kind of weather that you stay outside and, you know, be walking about. If you don't have any particular destination, then it's better to just stay at home, because like it's extremely cold this morning. And yeah, so the agenda for today is actually to go do that charity thing as quickly as I possibly could without staying too long outside in the freezing weather. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm actually wearing two sweaters, by the way. So this is a sweater and this is another sweater. I'm going to wear my winter jacket. This is jeans, but it's very thick jeans, and I'm going to wear boots. You know, this is how I layer up whenever I'm going out when the weather is very cold. You know, in Canada, you don't dress to impress, you dress to survive. You don't dress to kill. I'm currently in the garage now, and I'm just going to show you some of the things that I'm giving out. So it's a lot of stuff. This bag has clothes in them. Over there, there's more clothes in the bag. There's more clothes in the bag. This bag is I think, yeah, this one has shoes and some other items like makeup brushes. I don't think you guys are really even seeing this, but this bag has shoes. This is complete set of makeup brushes and your other items. I think there are some bags there that I haven't used in the bottom of this bag. And then this one is another bag of clothes. This one is a bag of shoes. So these are shoes. These are also clothes as well. Yeah, these are clothes as well. This is a backdrop, but these are some other extra clothes that I'm not using. And everything inside this trunk, with the exception of this bag, this is a grocery bag, but everything inside this trunk is going to the donation center.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young for.
Abenchi, I'll Harry, Samuchi. Abenchi, I'll Harry, Jai. Shina ya Tagawuri Allah. Abenchi, I'll Harry, Samuchi. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the station. I'm picking up my friend who has just come into town. And yeah, I'm picking up Izzy, and she's just coming to town, into Edmonton. So let me just show you. That's the bus that just came, so I'm pretty sure that is her. That is her. That's her over there. This Izzy. See ya.
Is that?
Easy, baby.
So
You came with so much load.
yeah, I did. I packed.
Come, let me open the boot.
Oh, like
But it's like minus, I don't know, it feels like minus 33. There's supposed to be cold weather warning.
we sun now. Like I'm even sweating. So
Sweating.
yeah.
Guys, this is your room.
Yeah, you guys are enjoying. Like there's no, this place is not cold.
Are you sure?
It's not.
It's very cold.
Compared to where I'm coming from. This place is not cold at all.
Okay.
At all.
She's coming from Fort Mac. Fort Mac is up north, so it's colder there. It's like minus 30. Getting one.
I think it's the last time I checked was 35 or 39.
Okay. 35 or 39.
It's so cold. I mean, I couldn't wait to leave.
I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Please like this video, share, subscribe. Why are you laughing? Like this video, share, subscribe most importantly. It's going to help you to push my channel, push my videos forward. So please, you know, subscribe,
like, share and comment.
Subscribe please, and I guess I'll see you in my next vlog, hopefully with Eziolu. She's going to be staying with me, so
Bye.
bye.